A lot of you might be thinking, this is a little weird. I don't know you're in a transition period where your body's and maybe you don't feel comfortable in your body anymore. So you're looking to bring back that vivacious, fun, adventurous, sassy, gung-ho, whichever persona that you're looking to